every leap in human civilization is driven by the steady power of energy. From roaring industrial production lines to ever-running AI computing power and to the pulse of modern cities. For the world to move forward, it needs a constant source of energy. Jiangxi Changxin Gold Sunshine is committed to becoming the source of energy that powers the future. As the call for China's dual carbon coals becomes the defining voice of our era, we are reconstructing the core of manufacturing through technology and shaping the future of energy with intelligence. An intelligent manufacturing system that is efficient, transparent, and green has taken shape and is now operating at full speed, integrating R&D, production, and sales. We leverage advanced automation and refined management to build domestically leading expanded grid plate equipment and intelligent battery production lines. We embed the spirit of precision craftsmanship into every aspect of manufacturing to ensure end-to-end reliability from source to delivery. Transparent quality control builds the foundation of trust. We drive the entire manufacturing process with data, ensuring that every delivery carries a solid commitment. Green coexistence powers a sustainable future. 3 purification systems work in coordination, restore harmony between industry and nature. From the refinement of energy in every single unit to resonance across the global energy network, Jiangxi Changxin Gold Sunshine takes the intelligent factory as its foundation and innovation as its driving force. On the grand journey of energy transformation, it is becoming a Chinese core force powering the era.